Welcome to part 4. So before we start to model the head, I would like to make our model a bit fatter because it seemed a bit thin here. You can see how the man is here. He's a bit larger or wider. So I think just to make it quick and easy, click on the upper body, then hold Control and click on the legs. So everything is selected, and you can just go to Scale down here or up here, and then we will choose non-uniform, and then just drag this x-axis a bit. So now you can see he's a little bit larger. I think this is okay. So you can see this is sticking out a bit. I think it's fine. Maybe we'll fix it later. But for now, I think this is okay. So just press Enter. And then for the head, let's just go to the top view and draw a sketch here. So we will choose polyline and draw this, and then up here. So I'll just draw something similar to this, and then just to make it a bit more detailed, we will delete this top part here and then delete this one and delete this one, and then go back to polyline and just draw this. Then we can edit a bit. So this part here is just because you've probably seen a Lego, there is a hole here. And the fillets, we will just add it after we revolve it. So the neck here is larger than this one. Maybe just like this. Okay, so click on the sketch, go to the menu here and choose Revolve. The axis is going to be this line, and then press Enter. Type in 360 degree and press Enter. So this is looking like something. We can always scale it later, but I think first we can put on the fillets. So I will go up here to modify fillet, click this one and this one, put a relatively large fillet like this. Yeah, and then again up here to fillet, you can choose these two there, and small one here, and then one down here. Okay, so now we have a head on the ground, which is probably too big. First thing to do, we need to rotate it. So select it and go to the moving tool and rotate it. So this should be 90, like that. And I will use Snap. So you remember, Snap is here. Click Snap, click on the bottom of the head, and then up here, click on the top. So okay, it's placed. And then what do we think about the size here? It's a bit fat, you could say. So I will take this one. So this depends on what you made. Maybe yours is right sized. So, but if it's not, you just use scaling. So I think first we will use uniform, make it a bit smaller, and then go to non-uniform and make it a bit longer. Okay, let's see here. So on this picture we can see the head is almost as wide as this part here, and it's almost the same size. It's almost like a square here. So let's see if we can do the same. I think we got it there, but let's lower it. So as I told you in the beginning of the tutorial, what we should have done is to draw some drawings and some dimensions of the whole thing, because then it will probably look nicer. But sometimes people are too lazy to do that, and this is fine like this. So I think this is it for this video, and just continue to the next one, and I think we'll begin on the arms.